Today we will learn about the nervous tissue of animals. We recognize the name of our friend only by hearing his voice. Similarly, only by the fragrance we can identify the flower. Can you tell us how can we do all this? Think. Let me tell you. We identify the changes occurring around us, and on the basis of these changes, we give reactions. Identifying the changes in the environment by an organism is called stimulus, and the reaction given according to the change is called response. For example, if we inadvertently touch a hot object, the touch part of the body is immediately taken back. Here, the hot nature of an object is stimulus, and taking back the part of body is a response. Here, information from skin cells reaches to the muscle cells of the arm and movement takes place. This work is performed with the help of nervous tissue. The nervous tissue present in our body responds to touch, sound, smell, taste, and vision. Therefore, all cells of the body have the ability to respond to stimulus. Nervous tissue is the main tissue of the nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves are made up of nervous tissue. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves together control all the activities that occur in the body. The cells of nervous tissue are called nerve cells, that are neurons. Neuron is the functional unit of nervous tissue. The neuron stimulates very quickly and transmits stimulus very quickly from one place to another. That is, the neuron receives and conducts different stimuli. Neuron is made up of cell body, dendrites, and axon. Cell body is like the shape of a star and is the main part of the neuron, which contains nucleus and cytoplasm. From the cell body, long and thin hair-like branches arise. From the cell body of each neuron, small branches like projections, dendrites are arised, and one long projection, that is, axon is arised. The terminal end of the axon is called nerve ending. The dendrite transmits the stimulus to the cell body, and through the cell body and axon, the stimulus reaches to the terminal end of the nerve, from where the stimulus reaches the dendrites of other neuron. There is a space between the end of one neuron and dendrites of another neuron. This space is called synapse. Stimulus crosses this space, that is synapse, and reaches to dendrites of another neuron. The stimulus in the nervous tissue is conducted in a similar way, and stimulus in the neuron is conducted in only one direction, from dendrites to the terminal end of the neuron. One nerve cell, that is neuron, can be 1 meter in length. On the basis of number of dendrites and axons, neurons are classified into multipolar, bipolar, and unipolar neurons. In a multipolar neuron, there is one axon and 2 or more than 2 dendrites. In the bipolar neuron, there is one axon and 1 dendrite. In the unipolar neuron, there is only a cell body and 1 axon. Axons are also called nerve fibers. Many nerve fibers bind together by connective tissue and form a nerve. The stimulus that is passed through nerve fiber is called nerve impulse. Nerves transmit nerve impulses to the brain or spinal cord. The brain or spinal cord takes a decision to respond appropriately. Nerves arising from brain or spinal cord conduct this information. The nerves are connected to muscular tissue. For nerves, information is passed to muscular tissue and there is movement of muscle tissue. In this way, with the help of nerve impulse, we can move muscles according to our wish. In all animals, this type of combination provides movement according to stimulus. Therefore, functional combination of nervous and muscular tissue is fundamental to all animals. So today we have learned about the nervous tissue of animals.